Welcome to Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas, the place for real estate investors who want to learn how to make a fortune in real estate, even if now you are broke. Hear not only from beginners, but also experts who have made millions wholesaling real estate both in their backyards and virtually. With your host, Kenneth Dusang. Be sure to follow Kenneth on Instagram at Kenneth Dusang. And join the Ninja Nation Facebook group at Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas.
What's up, guys? This video is all about the Zillow hack. As promised, I'm making it for you guys. So what exactly is a Zillow hack? Pretty much, the Zillow hack is a way for you to find your buyers for your deals that you have under contract. It's really important to either have a computer or a cell phone. Obviously, if you use a cell phone, it's not going to be as easy as if you use a computer. But just so you know, you can do this if you do have a cell phone and that's all you have. The concept of the Zillow hack is to only target, your landlords. So we're here in a minute. We're going to jump on my computer. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see exactly how I do it. Again, though, kind of off topic, if you're a part of my Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas group, you'll be able to see that I do offer an hour-long phone call for anybody that wants to learn the business of virtual wholesaling. If you can't find the links for it, just shoot me a message in Facebook. If you're watching this on YouTube, shoot me a message in YouTube and we can get something going for you guys. But again, if you're not part of the Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas group, I'm telling you, join that group. It's the best, pretty much the best group for virtual wholesaling. A lot of good content, a lot of good info. There's a lot of good people in there that you can connect with as well. So again, that group name is Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas. And again, guys, let's get to this video. What's going on, guys? So this is Kenneth. This is my screen here you're seeing on my laptop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the tools you need to do this Zillow hack. It's real simple. You don't need a lot. One, obviously, you're going to want to have Zillow open. For this example, we're going to use Jacksonville, Florida. Then you're going to want to have either your Google Voice. Some people use Better Voice. If you just have a Google Voice, this will work too. So what you do is, once you pick your market, for this example, we're going to use Jacksonville, Florida. Once you pick your market, you're going to filter it down to only for rents. Then you're going to go over here to houses or your home type. You're only going to want to choose houses and townhomes. If you don't have a lot of listings in the area, you can go ahead and do condos and apartments. I just like choosing houses and townhomes because that's where most of your private owners are going to be. Again, it doesn't hurt to add brokers and realtors to your buyers list. I actually teach that. It's actually important to add realtors and buyers on your list, or realtors and brokers on your list, my bad. But for this example, only choose houses and townhomes. So once you do that, what you do is you're going to see a lot of different listings on the right here. When you click into them, you're going to have pretty much a phone number. It'll tell you who they are. This is pretty much a listing agent. It's a realtor. You copy and paste the phone number into your Google Voice. This is one message I've already done. Pretty much the message is simple. It's, hey, I saw you were renting a property on Zillow. I'm messaging to see if you might be interested in looking at any more off-market discounted properties. I come across a lot of them in my company and we like to offload a lot of them to other investors. Also, if you are a broker or realtor with Cashbuyers, I would be happy to connect with you. So I'm here in Oklahoma. I'm building a pretty big buyers list here. So Moore pretty much is a city here in Oklahoma. So this guy here pretty much was a broker or a realtor, whatever one. They said, yeah, I got investors looking specifically in Moore, which is a good sign. So if they, if I have a property under contract in Moore, I would go to my buyers list, find this guy here, and I would send him, the contract and the property that I'm trying to offload. So what you do is, whenever you have time to do it, go and add these buyers to your list. I'm telling you, you can build a massive and huge buyers list just from this hack here. Most of the deals that I close, my buyers come from this hack. Sometimes, when you click into a property, there's not going to be a number. It's whatever. Just move on to the next one. Let's look at this one. This is a management company. Again, management companies might actually be buyers themselves. Go ahead and send them that same message. And just go through these listings. It's another management company. Tricon American Homes actually has bought some deals from me in the past. Sorry about that. Sometimes I click and a pop-up pops up. I need to fix that. Again, you're going to find a lot of management companies. Add them to your buyers list. I'm telling you. So what I would be doing right now is I would be copying and pasting all of these phone numbers into Google Voice and sending them that text message. It's pretty straightforward. It's not too hard. This guy's a listing agent. I would definitely send him a message. Another listing agent, send them a message. Now, all you do is you just keep going through this. There's Zillow used to tell you how many listings there were as far as, when you do your filters. It doesn't anymore. Typically, there'd be about a little over 1,000 in Jacksonville here. And let's say you have a team and you have them, go in and do this for you. And let's say you get through all of those listings. All you do is, every week, make a specific day where you go back and you filter it down to pretty much your listings that have been on Zillow for, let's say, 14 days. When you do that, you go in and find all your new listings. Sometimes the new listings will have buyers you've already added. If you have, it's okay. Just keep going through them, but you're going to add new buyers to your list every time you do this. So again, the Zillow hack is amazing. It is awesome. I'm not saying that the Zillow hack is the only way to find buyers. There's a lot of awesome ways you can do it. But I'm telling you, the Zillow hack has produced my team and my company awesome results when we've been looking, when we look for buyers. So again, if you want other ways to find buyers, I do teach other ways. I do offer a hour-long coaching call where I pretty much teach you my whole business. I teach you everything there is to know about virtual wholesaling. If you want to sign up for a call, just shoot me a message in Facebook Messenger. You can shoot me a message in YouTube, wherever you're seeing this video, and we'll schedule a call with me. It's an hour-long phone call. And pretty much, again, if you guys need anything, if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about it, Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day, your week, whatever's going on for you. I hope you find success in it, and yeah, stay safe out there.